Hi teacher, this is my homework 9. My name is Carlos Fernando Hernandez Costello. I'm born the 9th of June of 1999. I live in Privada Siena, número 3217, Stanza Toscana. I'm industrial engineering. My cell phone is 6672300094. I live in Culiacan, Sinaloa, Mexico. And my email is carlosfernandornandez.gmail.com. My certificates are Yellow Belt from Six Sigma of Sigma Pro, Innovation and Entrepreneurship of Tech Millennium, the International Environments and Business Operations that I am coursing right now, and a certification of CDG with special skills like, I don't know, maybe responsibility and that kind of stuff, and my certificate in mind map that is doing mind maps. My only experience that I had working is being in the social service in Banco de Ropa y Enseres de Culiacán. I recollect donations for the company since August 28 to April 2019. I am doing right now my career that is industrial engineering in Universidad Tech Millennium in Culiacán, Sinaloa, Mexico. And that's it. Well, my skills are the use of AutoCAD, the handle of the office equipment, the handle of the iOS equipment. I can say that I dominate like 90% the English language. I have business leadership. I improve processes, and I can manage inventory, and I can manage quality. Thank you, teacher.